San Luis Obispo County suffered its worst day yet during the pandemic. But as News Channel's Dave Alley reports, today could also mark a major turning point in the fight against COVID-19.
This is monumentally important. This is what is, over the coming months, going to help us turn this pandemic around.
Public Health Officer Dr. Penny Borenstein offers good news on an otherwise grim day in San Luis Obispo County. As a record 6 deaths are reported, the first shipment of vaccine arrives.
We actually received our initial doses today, so 1,950 vaccinations.
That will be administered to those in the highest priority within 24 to 48 hours.
The very first vaccine that we have is going to be going to our EMS personnel, our dialysis centers, hospital workers.
Others in healthcare and high-risk individuals soon after. The county's 2 biggest hospital companies, Dignity and Tenet, are also set to receive doses. In a statement, Tenet Health said, quote, vaccines could begin to be available to frontline healthcare workers sometime in mid-December, now that emergency use authorization has been granted. Dignity Health said, quote, to prepare for the first allocation of the vaccine, Arroyo Grande Community Hospital and French Hospital Medical Center have acquired the necessary equipment to store and administer the vaccine, trained staff, and developed relevant processes and procedures. As for the general public, access to the vaccine won't come anytime soon. The timeline for widespread distribution is still a long ways off.
Getting a vaccine to anyone who wants one, we are probably looking at late spring, early summer for the general population.
In San Luis Obispo, I'm News Channel reporter Dave Alley.